10 mind-blowing places you must see before you die. These 10 places will disappear in your lifetime, from ancient cities to floating seas. This is the ultimate travel bucket list. Number 1 will leave you speechless. Let's go. Number 10, Machu Picchu, Peru. Hidden 8,000 feet high in the Andes, Machu Picchu was lost for 400 years. Built by the Incas without wheels or iron tools, this UNESCO site has over 100 skeletons buried beneath it. Hike the Inca Trail or take a scenic train, either way, the sunrise views are unreal. Fun fact, the stones fit so perfectly you can't slide a credit card between them. Number 9, Pamukkale, Turkey. This cotton castle isn't made of snow, it's 17 layers of mineral-rich hot springs, over 2 million visitors bathe here yearly, and atop these terraces lies Hierapolis, an ancient Roman spa city. Pro tip, visit at sunset when the pools glow golden. Even Cleopatra herself supposedly soaked here. Number 8, Northern Lights, Iceland, Norway. The aurora borealis isn't just lights, it's solar winds colliding with Earth's atmosphere. Best seen from September to March in Iceland or Norway. Local legend says the lights are spirits playing football with a walrus skull. Yeah, really. Warning, you'll cry when you see this in person. Number 7, Dead Sea, Israel. You can't sink here, it's 10x saltier than the ocean, but beware. Get water in your eyes and it burns like hell. The mud is packed with minerals. Slather it on for a free spa day. Nearby you'll find caves where the Dead Sea Scrolls were discovered. Number 6, Iceland's volcanoes and glaciers. Iceland is where fire meets ice. You can snorkel between tectonic plates and silphra or descend into a volcano's magma chamber. The Blue Lagoon's milky waters heal skin conditions. Just don't get your hair wet, trust me, it'll turn to straw. Number 5, Colosseum, Rome. This arena held 50,000 screaming Romans watching gladiators battle lions. The underground tunnels, open now, after a 1349 earthquake, its stones were used to build hospitals. Fun fact, they flooded it for mock naval battles. Number 4, Grand Canal, Venice. Venice is sinking. See it before it's gone. The Grand Canal's palaces hide secrets. Casanova escaped prison here, and Marco Polo's home still stands. Pro tip, ride a Vaporetto at sunset for 1/10 the cost of a gondola. Number 3, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. This reef is dying, half its coral is gone. Dive now to hear its clicking symphony and spot 6 of Earth's 7 turtle species. January to March is hatching season. Watch babies race to the ocean. Number 2, Great Wall of China. This 13,000-mile beast took 2,000 years to build, workers used sticky rice mortar, and millions died constructing it. Hike the wild Jinshanling section for epic views without crowds. Number 1, Saut D'Eau Waterfall, Haiti. After the 2010 earthquake, the Virgin Mary appeared here. Now, thousands take 3-day spiritual baths. Some claim miracles. The waterfall's pool is called God's bathtub. Bring an offering if you visit. Which place blew your mind? Comment below. Subscribe for more epic travel guides. Share with someone who needs adventure.